liar. Change it for me. Asani, Wendy. We are going to just small break here now.
Yeah.
When we come back, we are going to continue with
Kwenu.
Yoruba Kwenu.
Kwenu.
Hausa Kwenu.
Kwenu.
Wanina Kwenu.
Hey.
When we come back. We don't come back. Shift on to another song, Igbo song. Quick. They look for another Yoruba song for me. Hey, give us. Una welcome back on Top the Night Show today. Which one be this one? Oh, serenade me. Oh! Move on, go front. You don't do. Una welcome back on Top the Night Show. Today we died here.
We died here.
Come and sit down here. But if you not go sit down there, we died here today. Anyway, una welcome back. Take this is your laptop.
Okay.
Una welcome back. Where this woman now? Una welcome back on Top the Night Show. My name is Nedu. How many hours you go take you to bring food to come serve us here?
No verse.
How many hours?
No verse.
Big batch and chapali. Don't worry. We have everything under control. Bye.
Oh,
don't worry. Bye. Don't go and watch. Come here. These children, come here. Don't go and watch TV.
Don't watch Telemundo.
Come here. Don't watch Telemundo. Come back. Is it because you have big bum? Yeah? Don't go and watch Telemundo. Go and sleep now. Go.
Don't watch Telemundo.
Don't allow her wound you with her bumper.
Go inside the
No.
Come on. Don't allow her kill you with her bumper. Hey, man of God, wash your hand. Let us eat food. This is the food of life.
Shift up. Okay.
Yeah, father. Hey! Oh, yeah. Hey!
They will see turn up.
My brother. Oh, aye! Oh!
So,
I tell you, she can cook food. She can try.
She try.
Oh, good. Sorry, more than no vex. Una welcome on top the night show. Hey, una need to do soup. Why they chop meat now?
No vex.
We never begin to chop meat. You don't chop meat.
They think just they sweet me well.
I make you the chop meat.
I just make a test.
You go let them. Why you gonna chop that meat? Yeah. Never finish a move.
Yeah, the food makes sense.
I'm telling you.
She try.
You try. I don't joke with my food. You see, the way to my body, the way to my heart is my stomach.
Your stomach.
I don't play with it. You don't play with it. In fact, una know what day today. Una go surprise say we dey chop our night food here today. Our topic for today's show now say, I stay the chop this eba. They say the way to a man's heart now through in belly.
Yeah, through in belly.
Some go say, now when you carry belly for the man, where you born for him, now him be.
You don't catch him.
You don't catch him. The other one and waiting again.
Maybe when you buy a gift.
Buy and gives away to his man's heart.
Yeah.
So therefore, una will be women where they there. Una will be men where they there. Make una begin call us now. Tell us, what be true the way to a man's heart. But before we begin take una call, we go outside today so make we ask some kind people, what is the way to a man's heart? Make una hear what thing get to talk. Why we chop our night food here?
We'll come back.
Welcome.
My name na Ibuku.
Nice name. You know those thick name we say that they give for village. Now actually, no wala. Make I just ask them this question. What would be the best way to win man heart?
For this day where we dey now, I believe say the best way to win man heart na to get better character. You know, so some people they talk say na by the food way you cook for them. But you see, if you sabi cook and you no get character, you don't lose the man be that too.
This question is a very confusing one because we don't ask this particular question. Some men talk say no be food. Me I be say na food.
I believe say wetin man wants be say make you treat him like king.
Hey, my name is Mr. Prince, and the way to woman heart, what I don't know since I don't born me. Number one, na money. Number one is that you give her the money, or make you they do it and make you they buy her things, or make you they take care of her family, or make you make sure have friends like you, or make you be successful person, or make you get better house for Lekki or VI.
Best way is to give her the honesty.
I define now, cause na pocket today. My sister na money, money. For this world where we find ourselves now money. If you don't get money, any language where you they speak, man, na broken.
Now special gift, and make you appreciate the woman. And if you know say anything you want to do for woman, like for example now say you want do the thing we be say go make you get pikin. You could only buy something from the woman from morning. Now you go down, they start to do they pet the woman, they ask the woman something, can I help you? I feel help you do this thing. The woman go say, bless this is my husband, bless this is my man, they find something today. Because all this special care way they do me so for today. I don't think say na just ordinary eyes.
One of the quickest way now by attention.
Yeah, my people, we don't ask people, they don't tell us different things where they for their mind. You understand? Anybody will not get this thing where we don't ask everybody now. Now they sell them for market. Quick, go buy your own for market. You understand? I still remain your boy, Big Bash. If you know say yourself won't answer this question, if you go on top Dublin Night Show, make it go answer them. Or if you follow me for Instagram, Balogun Bashiru. If you follow them for
at Abong Christiana.
Okay.
For Instagram.
For Instagram. Okay. Follow us for Instagram. Make it tell us what to be your own mind. Thank you very much. We still remain your.
Is it this moment? Microphone big pass him. We send them go do work. All these children of nowadays, they advertise themselves. If you follow me for Instagram, you know, my brother not go blame my ideas. I'll mock it. So therefore, our phone numbers don't they open now on top of your TV. Make una call us. If you be woman, tell us. What thing you think say be the way to man heart? Now food, where would they chop now? Because this one's sweet. Well, a woman that can cook this kind of food for me, my brother, I'm okay.
The food sweet.
I like.
No.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Makes sense. It makes sense.
Or I been mama and papa thing what they do for night. Now I be the thing what they say be the woman because some men go tell say my brother when the woman sabi. Are you with me? Are you with me? When the woman can do it, no problem. Some now when you the more you born pikin for the man. It don't finish because then go tell you say no. I feel married girl will not go born bikini now. She figure bikini for me, no problem. She no good man. Yes. So therefore, make una begin the call us now. Or send your tweet message at W9 Show. Make we know what be the way to man heart and what be the way to woman heart. Why would they chop our food? Make una the call. We go answer una. Please, this food is very very sweet. No, now una.
Abonidi, you don't chop this thing.
Let me chop the fish.
How?
You don't chop the fish ready for the thing. Go play music.
Okay. Make I go play music.
Play music. Let us enjoy the food. Make they watch us chop. Make una call.
Make I play music, making the chop.
My brother, play music. They play music. Okay, reduce volume. Are you?
Hello, Ogedu.
Hey, how is you?
I dey fine, no.
How is your ministry?
My ministry is fine.
What tell me?
I don't dey call. Akpogide na munyaho.
Na there for work.
See, my phone self don't run down.
What tell us? What be the way to man heart?
Edu, I know they watch this thing now. I know they watch program now. My station know they clear.
Yeah.
Edu, I want to make una give me antenna or start time.
No problem. Till that time. What be your name?
Joy.
Joy, no problem. Thank you.
You can now watch Unu. Station.
Joy, what be your son name?
Joy
Onwuka. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Hello, from Zulurere. Good evening.
Good evening, no. My name is Daniel Macaulay.
Daniel, how is you? Daniel.
I am fine.
What do you want?
Are you asking me question? I don't understand.
Daniel.
Yes.
How is you?
Now chop with the chop. I mean, a question they ask me.
I ask you now. I don't stop to chop now. Daniel, now.
I hear you.
What it be the way where woman? What it be the tell that woman go do? Where go win your heart? Now food.
Now
I been a pikin. I been a
pocket.
Now
money.
Money. If woman get money, she don't win your heart with that.
Before uncle, you know see how things hard today.
So now money be your own.
Now money, oh.
No worry. Bye. Thank you. Oh, God bless you. From Ikorodu, good evening. Reduce your TV volume. What's it, sir? Hello? Abigail.
Hello?
Abigail, now, talk to me.
Hello?
Hey, Abigail, reduce your volume. How is you?
I'm fine, no. How you dey?
My sister, we dey fine, no?
You no get table manners, so say you dey eat, you dey talk.
My sister, table manner, no, if hunger hold you not gonna remember table manner.
My pikin make I tell you, say you don't know, you dey talk, you just dey eat, dey talk up and down, say you no get table manner.
Now your talk. Now your talk.
Now my pikin talk. Oh.
Tell your pikin. What? Tell me, Abigail, what if beauty say be the way to man heart?
Na character. Oh.
Character.
Na good character.
If you get good character, you don't win man heart with that.
Good character as a woman.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, Abigail. Good night. From Zulu, good evening. Hello.
Good evening.
How is you, my brother in the Lord?
Well, we dey fine.
Talk to me, Kishley. What if that thing what woman go do where she go win your heart?
What is that money now?
If she get money.
If you don't get money, you don't get anything for who a woman do.
No, that for you. Now, make I ask you something.
I tell you true, no money, woman no go listen to you.
Yeah, of course. Another thing I go ask you again. What if be that thing where they say if you see am for woman, hey, you don't marry am?
That one a character. If you get good character.
Whether it's a big cook or not, you don't mind.
No, you go study cook now. What your mama they work now? Your mama teach her to cook now.
If you not come study cook,
you don't say things don't change. Everything are made.
No problem, Kisley. Thank you.
Okay, Nedu.
Good night. Hello. You could not want to let me eat food. Hello. Sorry, man, I chop food small. Anyway, more go small chicken break. More go chop food finish. When we come back, no one will not chop our food finish. By that time, we will come back. We will begin to take on phone calls. When they come back, come and chop food. I go chop food finish.
Àṣírí wa ò ní tú ọmọdé inú ilé oníyànkú lọ́wọ́ wa àṣẹ ọmọdé inú ilé àṣẹ kò níyànkú lọ́wọ́ wa àṣẹ ẹ bá mi pa màṣẹ o ikú wa aboyún àríwá kété.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.